All right, guys, we're going to look at how we can change the language of Facebook from, say, English to Spanish. First, take a quick look at that little puppy right there. Once we are in Facebook, at the very bottom right, we're going to hit those three lines, and then this page will come up, what you see in front of you here. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and then I'm going to click on the settings and privacy choice right here, and then you'll see where it says app language. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to change the language to, let's go with Español. And then cambiar a español means change to Spanish, so I'm going to click that. And then you're going to have to restart the app, so let's do that. The app. Once you restart the app and then go ahead and go back to your page, you'll notice that you'll see things in Spanish, like the publish button says publicar, foto is spelled photo in Spanish, promote, promocionar, etc. So again, if you've done this and you regret it and you want to change it back, just as a reminder, you go to the very bottom, the three lines. Scroll down to configuración y privacidad. And then the fourth one from the bottom says idioma de la app. I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to pick English and then change to English. And now we're back to English. So I do recommend you do this when you are learning a language. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, hasta luego.